Hello and we're back to Jan Live. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel right below this video. And just forget that all of these sounds because I'm in the Philippines. So I'm playing Roblox Rivals for now. And I'm gonna show you my knife skills. And let's get started. Let's wait to be loaded. It's taking too. What's taking too long? Let's just check that network connection here. Bruh. And remember, I am just using screen recorder. So I'm just a normal YouTube creator that have a goal to reach 100,000 subscribers. And we're here. I'm just gonna run this. There. Bruh. So only I'm gonna use knife to kill the wheel. I'm gonna expecting that I'm not gonna win because this is the level 100 class player and has a skin to sniper. Please use knife to the next round, bro. Please. Bro, don't be toxic. Bro, didn't use knife. Bro. Bro, why can't I kill him?